This 3-story incinerator was built sometime in the 1950s by the city of Fort Worth. This place was used as the city's solid waste incinerator, but was not open long as it closed a few years later, due to the fact of the EPA laws that changed and forced this place to shut its doors sometime in the early 1960s. As this place sits abandoned for over 60 years, you can still see the concrete and brick structure that still stands, along with the 2 towering smokestacks that can be seen from miles away. This place is a hotspot for graffiti artists and hangout spots for teens. What do you think of places like this? Should they be left alone to rot and decay, or be used to help the community? Write your comments below letting me know what your thoughts of this place is.